We're changing the way housing's built.
Entire apartment complexes built inside a factory, room by room, as part of the new chapter in our Making It in San Diego initiative. We are taking a deeper dive into possible solutions to our housing crisis.
10 News reporter Michael Chen traveled to the Bay Area, where apartment buildings are being put together like Legos.
Inside an old submarine factory in Vallejo, the sounds of a different sort of automation. Welcome to Factory OS. Our tour guide is CEO Rick Holliday.
When you look out, what do you see here?
We think that we're on the cutting edge of a big change in housing construction.
A change constructed with an assembly line.
This first station here, we're building a floor, and then we're going to go up from there.
Similar to vehicles at an automobile plant, entire rooms are created, piece by piece.
So this is starting to look like the interior of an apartment.
The room modules, pushed along on industrial air cushions to 33 different stations and assembled by union workers.
At this station, all the walls are going up. At this station, the work is on ceilings. And here at this station, they are getting ready to set that tile. And at this station, preparations for drywalling.
Gradually, the rooms are moved along, windows, electrical, counters, and finally the installation of the toilet paper holder.
And we can build it much less expensively here in an automated fashion, more like a car.
Once complete, the pre-assembled modules are trucked to the building site and craned into place, an apartment building put together like Legos. The modules can be staggered and offset to help achieve modern designs. For the factory's first project, this 5-story, 110-unit building went up in Oakland in August in just 10 days. After things like roofing and the exterior are wrapped up, the building is set to open in about a month.
You can build the home at least 30% faster and more efficiently, so you save 20% minimum on construction costs.
Holliday says for affordable housing projects, those extra savings can turn into extra units and lower rents. So far, demand for his modular buildings has been high.
We'll be shipping probably 8 to 10 projects a year, or 1,200 apartments.
We're told they've already started to bid on possible projects in Southern California. Holliday says the cost of trucking the units would increase, but it would be a fraction of the cost savings from a modular project.
We can continue to extend ourselves to San Diego if the demand is there.
So the test, of course, is can these projects actually deliver on the promises? And so far, they have. When that Oakland project opens, it will have taken 11 months from start to finish compared to a typical project, which can take up to 2 years there. The pre-assembled building will cost about 20 to 30% less to put up as well. So
You know the demand would be there. What are the figures that show the dent it may make in our housing crisis?
the answer is a possible dent. In San Francisco alone, for instance, there are 40,000 units approved but not being built because of those costs, and Holliday believes his factory could actually make a lot of those projects economically feasible. So
We're still fine-tuning it.
Yes.
That's great.
Michael, thank you.